Hi everyone. I am inviting every one of you for the workshop which is going to be on 20th Feb as communication is one of the most demanding and important traits of current life. So and body language is one of the inevitable part of our communication. So in that workshop we will gather together and we will get some more insights about body language. So kindly manage your time and accept my invitation and do come at 7:30. And mind it, every one of you have to come because I want to see every one of you. This is my heartfelt request. Kindly accept it and see you in the workshop. Till then, take care. Bye bye.